Jesus Christ, good morning. What happened? Ayan. Ay! Naku! Paano ko nabubuksan yung pinto? Oh my God. Look at it. And still snowing. God. Hindi pa man lang nag-greet yung daanan namin. My God. Hi guys, good morning. So for today's video, as you can see outside there, the weather is freaking ridiculous. So I have this onesie because I'm ready to go out and take out all the snow from our pathway so that it's easier for me if I go to work, and also for my husband when he wants to walk outside. But I think this is not the nicest weather, and I will not allow him to go out because it's so dangerous. Yeah, I don't know, I felt sad with the snow before. When I was Philippines, we love snow. It's like, oh, we want to experience it, and yeah, it's nice, it's beautiful, and I agreed with that because it's really beautiful, the snow. But the first time you will like experience it, it's alright, it's beautiful, wonderful, it is. But when you're in the country like this, and you know, it's normal for them to have this snow. But if you're like a Filipino or Filipina like me, and you didn't get used to it, then you need to go to work. It's kind of annoying sometimes, but you know, I'm getting used to it. But you know, it's sometimes it's sad, especially when you don't know how to drive, or you know how to drive but you don't have the license. And yeah, it's hard. Actually, it's hard to go somewhere and you can't drive. So hopefully this year, once I've saved up for my driving license, then I can drive in the snow. But it's also dangerous because I've seen some of the news that there's some accident, you know, because today, from last night, it has been snowing here, and yeah, there has been a snowstorm, and yeah, it's kind of sucks, you know, but I must go on. So come with me outside, and we're gonna remove all the snow. I think it's fun, but it is so cold. Hi guys, we're out now, and we're gonna start to remove all the snow here outside, and I will start it here. There. So it's kind of cold outside, so but we need to do this because if I will not do it, and then it's gonna be frozen and it's gonna be slippery there outside, so it's not good. So yeah. Let's go. Oh my god, it's so cold. So this is one thing, and it's so beautiful, but it's so freaking cold.